The assisted chin-up is one of my favorite chin-up variations because it allows you to practice the chin-up movement, but it makes it a lot easier so that you can start building the muscle, building the skill, building the strength so that you can get your first chin-up. So there's really a few ways that you can do this. You can, obviously, if your gym has a machine, like a chin-up machine, that's super simple. You just put the pin at a higher weight, and the more weight that you put on, the more assistance you're gonna get, and then you just do a pull-up, right? So typically it's a pad that you can put your knees on, or there's like 2 little bars where you can put your feet on and you're doing a chin-up. Pretty self-explanatory on that. The next one you can do, if you don't have bands, is a foot-assisted chin-up. So you can get a bench or a chair or something to stand on, and you just use your foot for assistance, right? So notice how I'm pulling myself up mostly with my back, but I'm kind of like, almost like I'm pressing a gas pedal very lightly, using my foot for assistance. My leg's not doing all the work, but it's kind of there just to kind of, help me up a little bit, right? Now, my personal favorite is the band assisted chin-up. The reason why I like this one is because it mimics a chin-up. Like, you have to prevent yourself from swinging back and forth and side to side. And it allows you to get maximum amount of assistance at the bottom, because when this band is fully stretched, that's creating the most tension in the band, which means it's providing the most assistance to you. And it's mostly stretched at the bottom. That's also when the movement is the hardest for a chin-up. So what you're gonna do is you're going to stand on the bench, and then you're gonna put your knee inside the band, okay? Now, some people also like to put their foot inside of it. I found the knee to be easier, so I'm gonna turn around so that this video is a little bit easier to look at. I'm gonna put my knee inside the band, like so, and then I'm going to get in position. Then from here, I'm just gonna pull myself up, slowly lower myself down. I'm thinking of driving my elbows down into my pocket and slowly straightening myself out and getting a nice big stretch. Now, you wanna make sure that the band isn't ripped, the band isn't damaged, because you don't want the band breaking and smashing in the face. That would suck. But this is a great alternative. And all 3 are great. If you have a band, great. Use this for assistance. If you have a machine, you could try that. Try all 3, see which ones you like best. But doing an assisted pull-up is a great variation to kind of get you ready for your first chin-up.